Let me start by wishing all of you a very good afternoon, and also to thank the Singapore Chamber of Maritime Arbitration, in short SCMA, and the Institute of Chartered Shipbrokers, ICS Singapore, for inviting me to today's session. I must say that I'm indeed honored to join all of you at this first quarterly Legal and Commercial Perspectives webinar. First of all, I would like to highlight that this collaboration between SCMA and ICS Singapore is a testament of how our maritime community here has matured. As many of you know, Singapore has a vibrant international maritime ecosystem. Today, we've got more than 150 shipping groups from diverse countries that are based in Singapore, and this is supported by a wide range of maritime services. There are 7 classification societies which are members of the International Association of Classification Societies, IACS. We have about 50 international shipbroking companies and more than 50 marine insurance services firms here, including 10 from the IG P&I Club. In addition, we've got over 30 law firms with maritime practice. Hence, this vibrant mix of maritime players in Singapore meant more opportunities for collaborations across companies, associations, and industries. Let me just quote an example of such a collaboration. We've seen it when we were doing the Digital Ocean Memorandum of Understanding, and this MOU brought together 6 maritime players to work towards seamless data exchange through data harmonization. Another example of such collaboration that we've done could be seen through what we call a Pier 71 program, and in full it is known as the Port Innovation Ecosystem Reimagine. And this is really designed to bring together innovative thinkers, maritime veterans, and experts to collaborate and develop deep solutions for the maritime industry. I think all of us heard about the industry being disrupted, about having an eye to the future. So we thought that it's actually good to bring together players in the ecosystem so that we can come together to have much more collaborative efforts. Hence, both SCMA and ICAS, you are both important partners to MPA. We've worked with you together over the years to launch various initiatives for the industry. We have SCMA, who is a specialist maritime dispute body, and SCMA aims to provide a neutral, responsive, and cost-effective forum to resolve maritime and trade disputes. More importantly, SCMA intends to ensure that the rules remain relevant. Hence, just this year, the Local User Council was set up with members from the industry to provide feedback on the SCMA rules, to propose initiatives, and to advocate for the adoption of the SCMA arbitration by the maritime community. ICS, on the other hand, has a presence in Singapore since 1978. And over the years, it has built up an impressive track record, both in terms of membership and as an expert in commercial shipping and shipbroking. The ICS, as I know, is the only globally recognized professional qualification in commercial shipping and shipbroking. ICS Singapore, I know, is committed to improving the landscape of maritime education. And let me just quote an example. In 2019, they launched a work-study program which is targeted at ship owning, operating, and broking segments to provide polytechnic graduates with opportunities to enhance their skills and knowledge acquired in schools to support their transition into the workforce. Both organizations share a common goal in skills development, raising professional standards, and contributing to the maritime industry. These are really good work that they are doing. So to me, it is really heartening for me to see them formalize their collaboration. I was told that they've recently signed an MOU that carves a sustainable path to achieving these common goals. This series, starting from today, offers an insight into the industry-led collaborations that will come as part of the MOU. We hope to see even more of such industry-driven collaborations amongst the shipping community here. A key objective of this webinar is to help companies foster deeper knowledge sharing, and collaboration amongst themselves. Anecdotal evidence indicates that it is not unusual to see outdated clauses within commercial contracts despite new judgments being passed. Hence, SCMA and ICS Singapore believe that if we have more frequent communication and sharing between legal and commercial teams, we can help avoid situations like that, where things are actually not brought up to speed and to what is relevant today. The launch of these quarterly legal and commercial perspectives, therefore, is an important first step to provide a platform for such sharing. The series will tackle the top 3 maritime-related judgments in the previous quarter and its implications on commercial contracts. We have leading legal and commercial experts who have been invited to share their expertise and specific steps that can be taken. I am confident that the series will benefit members from both organizations as well as the wider maritime community. Hence, on this note, I would really like to thank SCMA and ICS Singapore for organizing this series, and to our esteemed panelists for taking time to share your expertise and knowledge. To all of you, I wish you a fruitful session and look forward to your continuous support of SCMA and ICS Singapore's initiatives. Thank you very much, and really have a good day and a good session ahead.